The camcorder. Dad buy the camcorder. The children had a race. Dad make a video. Smile, everyone, said Dad. Dad went to the birthday. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Wilma. It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad shows Wilma took the camcorder. It's easy, he said. Wilma make a video. It's easy, she said. Smile, please, said Wolf. The children watched the race. They see the birthday. They look at Joe's weddings. They laughed at Wilma's video. They went to the treehouse. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad laughed at on the video. Wilma make a video. She said to man, they were burglars. The burglars was running away. Wilma make a video of them. Call the police, she shouted. Dad got a phone. He phoned the police. Wilma get the video, burglars on video. The police came. They looked at the video. Well done, they said. The police caught the burglars. Thanks to Wilma, said Dad. The camcorder.